What if I told you the biggest cage you're in isn't outside, but built brick by brick, right inside your own mind? We often live within self-imposed boundaries, believing the whispers of doubt more than the roar of our own capabilities. Remember that moment you almost tried something big, but a voice said, "You're not ready," or "It's too risky." That's the same voice that told the Wright brothers flight was impossible until they decided to defy gravity. So what if the only thing standing between you and your absolute potential? Imagine a bird in a magnificent open aviary, choosing to stay huddled in the smallest corner, convinced it can't fly. Breaking free isn't a single leap. It's a series of small, defiant shoves against those invisible walls every single day. Take one uncomfortable step today. Start that project. Have that tough conversation. Believe in that impossible dream. Because when you shatter your own limits, you don't just liberate yourself. You light a beacon for everyone watching. The world is waiting for the power you've been holding back. Now, go unleash your impossible.